Hi ladies, it's Ali here from Clear Skin and Wellbeing. And so today I thought I would just quickly go through a little bit of sunscreen and what I'm using and absolutely loving at the moment. Now this video isn't sponsored, but I just thought I would just give a shout out to what I actually am using, because I think it is probably one of the best sunscreens for me, definitely on the market. And it is this one. You can buy it on Amazon, and it is Spa Magic with Dead Sea minerals. It's a factor 50 and it's with UVB and UVA. And what can I say? I bought it last year in Holland and Barrett. I do believe, as I say, you can buy it on Amazon, so probably all around the world. And I think it's just under £20, £18 something. But for me, it suits my skin. It's oil-free and it doesn't, oil-free, sun-safe. Doesn't make your skin feel cloggy. I mean, I just love it. Now, for instance, today I have been sailing. The weather's great, beautiful, and for me, if I can find something which is going to reflect the water with water reflection and keep my skin safe and without feeling yucky, I'm all for it, and I know it's a good one if it's going to work. And I have used this one. I bought it last year and I'm towards the end, and I definitely need to buy more. Now I do have lots of sunscreens, but this is, I've got to say, my favourite for the face. So what I will do is I will just show you what it's like on my skin. Again, I don't have any makeup base, just a little bit of lipstick. So just tie my hair up very roughly. Now, here we go. So you can just see what it's like. I just would add a tiny bit, it's almost like a gel-like. And I'll just, it doesn't have that slight biscuity smell as they all do, but it's actually quite pleasant compared to a lot. And what I like about it, as much as I do love using things with titanium whitening, which would make your face white and stop, you know, and very eco, fine, but you know, I'm sailing on a lake, so it's not like sailing in the sea, but it's not as eco as some. If you look at the list of ingredients, it goes on and on. But for performance and how it feels on my skin, for when I really need it on those days where I know I'm going to catch the sun, as I say, with reflection of water, this is the one I would definitely go for. It just feels so smoothing on the face. You can actually use it as a base also, I think, on the skin. Even if you were just going every day and you just want full protection, you could use this as a base and then put your foundation on afterwards. May slip up. They say that on the back of the on the back of here, although saying that with anything like that, it could start slipping off. I haven't tried it. I don't, to be honest, in the summertime I don't actually use much foundation, if any. I'd rather have just something with a little extra colour in the product. So yeah, I'm putting it on. I just love the feel of it. It doesn't feel claggy. It feels smooth. And I know that my skin is completely protected. Obviously it's a factor 50, so if you're out in the sun for more than, I don't know, half an hour, 40 minutes, I would then reapply, just a light reapply, and I would put it on my neck or any exposed areas, sort of down here, just to sort of stop it, and also the back of the neck, where a lot of people do tend to forget, and you end up getting sunburn, which I have had when I was younger, and it's not pleasant, you know, sunburn and worse. So I also use tretinoin, so I'm very careful on what I use. I really, obviously you need to use a high factor, 40 onwards, and when it's a hot sunny day with no clouds in the sky, it really should be a 50. So yes, I've gone on, I love it. If you can get hold of it and just use it just for the face, and as I say, I've had it for a year, it's getting towards the end, little goes a long way. I love, it's a great product. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Sure, it was a bit of a short, sweet one because I've been out most of the day, but hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.